Squirrel Hunt 2008.
Yeah, man!
Yeah!
Are we ready for this?
My turn!
Yeah!
Just put that over to me.
Yeah!
Over to me.
Yeah,
Let's go hunt some squirrels!
Squirrels, yeah!
let's put this in the recycling first!
Just, no, just, we'll get that. Just,
Yeah! Good for me, buddy.
no, see, Will, that's a tree, all right? We're not going for trees.
Where are we going?
Squirrel!
Give me my bat!
Bat me!
Slow motion. Haven't seen any squirrels so far, but I have seen Slipper. All right. You know, maybe we have to change jogger hunt. No. Just go after random joggers we see on the road. Flag hunt! Flag hunt, Will.
Put that.
Yeah!
Shit, there they are. Run.
Are you serious?
He went the wrong way.
I just want to see a guy come out with a gun.
Totally necessary.
I know! Let's go.
This way.
Will!
Come on, guys. Flag!
Wait up!
Yeah!
Henry's turn!
Buckets.
Follow them.
Wait.
Nah.
Too fast.
It's the jogger.
Wait, so are we getting any squirrels now?
Alright.
This is a pretty intense squirrel hunt, man.
No squirrels, but
Yeah.
we're getting them flagged.
Squirrel / flag hunt.
Slash chipmunk.
Well, that was just an exception. Guys, we're going this way.
Sorry.
Shit, call. I think this is the shattered remains of a flag right up in here. Yeah! Yeah, you're hitting the sign now.
Look, a flag!
You get him, Will! Slipper, we already got that one. Guys, we are so out of place right here. We have no idea where we're going. What is this? Oh my god! Some weird thing! It might be a flag!
Get another Coke bottle.
Let's go! Our valiant, extremely super cool hunters of squirrels that haven't found a squirrel. Oh my god, that is the coolest can I've ever seen. Vámonos.
Right.
Let's go.
What I do to people.
I know, my mom's in the back.
Awesome. Let's go. Come on, guys. There are a couple cans over there that are calling our names. Let's go, Slipper. Put those bad boys on the ground.
Take him down, Will. Take him down. This is what I like to call mucho gracia.
Oh my god. It's breaking.
And so ends Squirrel Hunt 2008.